Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lola Nicole. I upload videos every week. Today we are doing a little school supply shopping and I'm doing a little cleaning in the house. So if you'd like to follow me around while I do a little supply shopping, as you can see we are filling it up for everyone. And I'm doing a little cleaning in the living room, the kitchen, dining room, just basically my downstairs area because that's the first place to get messy. So if you'd like to follow me along throughout my day, then please keep watching. Okay, so I just got this package. I ordered it, I want to say I ordered it like, no scissors. I ordered it like a couple days ago and I already got it. So it's from Grove Collaborative. Where is that? Boom. So I ordered a bunch of stuff because I got one of their little coupon codes. So here's my packing slip with everything that I got. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so I got the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, the fog gray kitchen towel. I got it, I picked gray because I just figure it's more of a neutral color so it will go better. And these are like really durable and I've heard that they're really good and you can just throw them in the wash, so that's great. Those were two things that I got for free. This one I picked out to actually try. I've heard a lot about activated charcoal, especially in like toothpaste and stuff like that, so I really wanted to try that out. So I got the brand Hello, and this is just their whitening toothpaste. So I guess we will see how this works, or how well it works. Hopefully it works well. I haven't heard much about this. It looks like a hair product, so hopefully I don't like mistake it for like a facial or a hair product. But yeah, this is their fluoride free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. So let's hope that is good. And then under the paper is all the goodies. Their method, I always get method from Target, but I figured I would pick some up here because when you spend, I think I had to spend like 20 bucks and I got like a whole little set for free. So I grabbed some more Method all-purpose cleaner. This one is in Honeycrisp Apple. And then I got the Method Anti-Bac toilet bowl cleaner. And it just has the little nozzle, so that way it's easy for you to put in the toilet. And then as the caddy part, let me see, I have to get all this together. Oh, this is another thing that I picked out myself, which was the Babo, I'm not quite sure how you say it, botanicals, but this is the Calming Baby Bubble Bath and Wash. This is in Lavender and Meadow Sweet. I want to try this with Liliana for nighttime, for bedtime. It says it comforts and calms, so hopefully it will help naturally soothe her to bed. And then I got the Method Sweetwater hand wash, and it just like pumps out. It looks really cool in a little clear bottle, so I can put that on my kitchen sink. And then get me this cute little caddy. There's like stuff all over my counter, but little handle, it just says Grove Collaborative on the side. And then it came with the Miss Meyer's Clean Day hand soap. I picked lemon verbena because I think I've tried this scent before, if I'm not mistaken. I know I've tried like some of their holiday scents, which are like limited edition, but I believe I've tried this one before. I'm not 100% sure. But I got the hand soap, I got the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and then I got the dish soap. So I got all three of those for free in the little tin. And then they also included the fog gray kitchen towel and the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge for free as well. And then this is just the stuff that I paid for. So I just got all this stuff, and all this stuff was only like $26. And then I got the little tin and all the free stuff, so it's pretty exciting. I actually need to clean off this counter because it is a disaster as usual. But yeah, so this is my whole packing slip with everything that I got in it. This is what you'll get like when you order from them. I will put a link down below so that way you're able to order some stuff yourself. I will try and find one of the links that actually gives you the free like tin setup and everything. I'm not an affiliate with them or anything. I just clicked on a link and decided to try it because I've heard a lot of good things about it. So yeah, I will definitely find a link and put it down below. And if they would like to give me a link for you guys for a discount code, then I'll link that below as well. But yeah, so now I guess I can get to cleaning. island becomes a catch-all throughout the week because mine is literally everyone's one-stop shop for dropping everything. If you have any suggestions on how to keep your islands cleaner without it becoming a catch-all, let me know down in the comments below because I'm constantly cleaning this. Also, the guy in the video is just our maintenance guy. He was just checking out our ceiling. There's a part that needs to be repainted. I also got some DMs on Instagram asking where I got my shirt from. It's from Charlotte and Ezra on Instagram. I will link her Instagram below. She has super cute t-shirts. I love them. She has some new arrivals actually coming out, so I need to check out the website again. But the t-shirts are so comfortable and they're unisex size, so they fit nice and loose, just like I like them. For this little video of shopping and cleaning. I'm just gonna make myself some coffee in my cute little mug, and if I can remember where I got it from, I will link it down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.